All right, we have some Carnival ship deployment changes. We have some canceled cruises, and we have some different restart dates for Carnival cruise ships. And we're going to get into all of them right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, we have some more Carnival cruise news, and this time it involves changes in their ship deployments, cancellation of cruises, and changing of dates of when cruises will resume. So let's jump right into the first section of it here, and we have 5 Carnival cruise ships that were originally scheduled to sail here in 2021, and they have now been moved out to 2022. We have the Carnival Liberty sailing out of Port Canaveral. We have the Carnival Sunshine sailing out of Charleston. The Carnival Paradise sailing out of Tampa. The Carnival Ecstasy sailing out of Jacksonville. And the Carnival Sensation sailing out of Mobile, Alabama. Now, of those 5 cruise ships, the Carnival Sensation has been scheduled for January of 2022. An exact date has not been given, and no dates have been given for the other 4 ships, other than they have been moved out into 2022. So any of those cruises that were scheduled in 2021, of course, have been canceled. If you were booked on one of those cruises, Carnival will be sending you an email to notify you of the change, and your options for either moving your cruise to a different sail date, different ship, or refund options will all be included in that email. Now, the Carnival Valor will start sailing from New Orleans starting on November the 1st. The Carnival Legend will sail from Baltimore starting November the 14th. The Carnival Radiance will sail from Long Beach, California starting on December the 13th. And the Carnival Conquest will also start December the 13th from Miami. Carnival also did announce that the cruise protocols, health and safety protocols for the months of November and December will remain as they currently are in accordance with CDC guidelines. So you will still have to be fully vaccinated if you are 12 and older, unless you have a medical exemption. Some masking will still be required while indoors the ship. And of course, as of the new guidance, you will have to have a COVID-19 test taken 2 days prior to arriving at the cruise terminal. So everything that is in effect right now will still remain in effect till the end of the year. But like we just saw this week, it of course is always subject to change and can change at a moment's notice. If there are any changes, we will of course get them out to you as quickly as possible. So that is Carnival's current cruise update as to when ships are going to restart, which ships have been moved, and dates if available. Hopefully you found this information useful. Hopefully you were not on one of those canceled cruises. But let me know in the comments below, did any of these changes affect you, and what are you going to do? You could just simply move to a later date, move to a different ship, or are you going to be looking for a refund? Let me know. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.